car is dead fire though, I ain't gonna lie. This car is super tough. Woo! Nah, his shit's super tough. You too! What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. As you can see in today's video, we are in the M2. I actually started recording this video a little late because I got this Q60 behind me. We just fake started wilding just now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Me and him was fake putting in, you know, feel me, wop wop. And then there was a cop all the way in the right lane over there. But we ain't worried about that bum ass nigga. It's lucky in no traffic. We would've really took off on fam. Nah, I'm joking in GTA. This is AI mud, this not real life. Feel me? But yeah, man. Thought I'd pick up the cam, record up a little video for y'all boys. The Q still behind me. You know, he got these these rainbow like headlights going on. But yeah, we was fake wildin'. This shit's fire though, black. This place pretty cool too. Something about 60 something, I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, it smelled like Q60, boy. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. Oh my god, I knew that was there and I still hit it like a fucking dickhead. Oh, hit shit talk. I wonder if he going the same way I'm going. I'm about to get on this southern state just now. I wonder if he's getting on that shit too. If he is, it's active. It's active. Let's take a little cold in here. I would have that window and shit down. Fuck. But yeah, I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting from the YouTube videos, man. Make sure y'all keep like, comment, and subscribing to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I told y'all, road to 1K. I think our sub count right now is about I'm fucking retarded. About 730, maybe 720 something. I forgot. But it's around 725. Let's go with that. So we almost there. We almost there. I know we can do it. But yeah, I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting, for real. Yep, I knew that was there. And they got another one coming up here too. Yep. You gotta be careful out here. Them state boys be out here. Let me tell you about them state boys. They'll chase. I don't know. We ain't running from no state boys in GTA, am I right? Bro, these niggas cannot drive in New York. This fucking car behind me almost took me the fuck out just now, boy. Oh shit, some fucking, what's this behind me? He's wildin'. Car might be straight pipes, I'm not too sure. But can he take bends though? This nigga can take bends. What's this behind me? Some bend shit. Ben shit was feeling antsy, boy. Oh shit, another one of these fucking Infinity boys just pulled up. They pulling up here acting rowdy and shit. His car is dead fire though, I ain't gonna lie. His car is super tough. Woo! Nah, his shit super tough. Alright my boys. Too bad I can't play with y'all anymore. This is my exit. I'm sorry for all the noise y'all boys is hearing. It's the fucking... I got a fucking case of water in the fucking trunk. Definitely forgot I was in there, but it's alright, it's alright. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing. Whoa, what's going on out here, boy? Got ambulances, state troopies, all kind of shit going in tonight, huh? Shit, let me get my ass home. Let me get my ass home. Yo, if you live in New York, I'm heard, yo, word on the block is supposed to be a big fucking snowstorm coming this weekend. You know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comments if you want, you know what I'm saying? If you want snow videos, snow POVs, rear wheel drive, spinning our shit in the snow, this, that, all kind of shenanigans going on. Let me know, let me know. Cause me and the guys will do that. Snow shenanigans, rear wheel drive cars, Jesus Lord, type shit. This nigga can't drive. Oh my God, he over the white. Jesus Christ. Suspension modifications for this car, I'm not gonna lie. The suspension out the factory is amazing, don't get me wrong, but like for what I'm going for, I definitely need something a little bit more planted. I need to be a little more planted to the ground. I also need a new wheel and tire setup. Thinking smaller wheel, thicker tire, lighter wheel for sure. I don't know, let me know in the comments what y'all think. Like good wheels and tire setup to run track. Then I also gotta do camber and oh my God, it's just so much work we gotta do to the car, chat. So much work, but day by day, slowly, man, the build's coming along. You know what I mean? And one of my good friends, do your homework on my nigga Will. My boy said, yo, we out here building our cars on nigga money, and that was so real. It's no rich parents. Just a bunch of 9-to-5 niggas building cars with nigga money. Shit crazy, but it's real. So real. That nigga all up in my lane, boy. I hate when people do that, bro. Like driver's mod is a real thing. Like steering is a real thing. Y'all could steer into your lane. Look at this nigga. Shit is so crazy out here. better not be fucking following me, bro. What the fuck is that, boy? This the same nigga that was cutting into my lane. Nah. And get to a point here. See, braking on a turn that we can definitely don't have to brake on. Like, oh my God. Yo. Driver's mod is a real thing, chat. I'm just letting y'all know. The car does feel a little light in the front. I definitely need a little more air on the front. Front splitter, canards, shit like that. I was doing my homework on some, but those shits is expensive. For some, like, the price they want, just for a little bit of downforce. Jesus Christ, boy. Nigga, them shits is almost going for the same price as a goddamn mid-pipe or something. It's crazy. For a good set, too. Man, this car shit ain't for the weak. All my peoples know that. This shit is not for the weak. At all. I knew that was there too, and I hit it like a fucking chump. I just fucking dickhead. I go wide out here. Man, this highway is the playground for real, son. Like, this M2 handles so good, you can really like throw this bitch anywhere, any which way you like. This nigga right here has no plates on his car, but the police will pull me over because I got tinted windows and shit. Shit crazy out here, muddy. Shit crazy out here, muddy. Oh no, he got a plate on. It's just dirty. Man, that's not even eligible. Bro, you can't even read that shit, nigga. Get out of here. And the police will pull me over because I got tinted windows. It's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. Man, police is the biggest gang in NYC, bro. Fuck the politicking. You want to hit the apex? Why he braking? Why he braking? Why he braking? What he brake for? What he braking for? Wait! Why he braking? Jesus Christ. Okay. Highway's a little dead tonight, which is not fun to hear. Alright, chat, I'm probably gonna end the video off here. I'm not gonna lie. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I don't know when I'm dropping this video, but dropping soon. Been consistent on it, you know the vibes. Make sure y'all turn y'all post notifications on so y'all know every time I drop a video. And yeah, chef out.